So now let's see how we can work around with the Grimoire plugin inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with that, I'm going to go around onto Explore GPT section right here, and then I'm going to go around and type in Grimoire right here. So let's just go around over here. Grimoire is just like this, and if I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is what you have. So this is a code widget, as you can see right here. So it's a programming copilot, and it says it helps with programming flow. So let's just go around over here and then start this out. And over here you can see that it says there's some sample right here, like make a rain animation website, and there's learn to program prompt and so forth right here. So let's just go around over here, and I'm going to go around and say make a page with rain animation, let's say for example, and I'm going to go around and press enter, just like with the sample. So over here you can see that I got HTML now, I got CSS, and then I got JavaScript logic, as you can see right here, and it starts generating out the code right here. So you can see that this is the HTML code right here, and it is simply generating. So, and it added in raindrop around over here as well, and this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I need to do is I need to go around over here. You can see that it says deploy the static website by using nullify or replit for instant access right here as well. So you can go around and then utilize this, or I'm going to go around and simply save this out. So let me just go around and copy out the code, and then I'm going to go around and go to Notepad and paste out this code right here, and let's just go around and save this out right here on my desktop as, let's say, all files and sample.html right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around and paste this out, and now you got the rainfall animation, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize Grimoire to create complex codes like this, complex website and so forth, and programs as you like from ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.